Yeah, good day and welcome to this page. This is the voice of Dr. Best. Okay, I have a great news for everyone preparing for exam, especially those writing JAM, those writing WAEC and post-UTME. So there's a series which is going to be coming up on the Exquisite Tutorials YouTube channel. This is going to be happening every Saturday, like every single Saturday. Now we'll call it the Exquisite Tutorials Past Question Review with Dr. Best. Now, this particular review will be happening every Saturday on the Exquisite Tutorials YouTube channel. And major topics that we're going to be working with now, subjects include maths, chemistry, and physics. Now, this is the nature. It's going to be for those writing JAM, post-UTME, WAEC. So we are going to be revealing past questions to these exams, to these major exams on particular subjects, give you detailed explanations to all the options on that questions and how you can tackle it when you see. So this is an exam preparatory series. So after studying, and it's going to be based on topic by topic. So after studying any topic that you have read, just go to Exquisite Tutorials every Saturday and review the past question on this particular exams and see how well you are ready for exams, how well you are prepared, and also it will help you to answer exams on your exam day. So don't play on this. Don't play. Don't play. Tell your friends, tell your families, your classmates, your colleagues, anyone preparing for exam. This is going to be happening every Saturday, non-stop. We are not stopping. It's going to run for years, not just for now. It's going to be running every Saturday. So Exquisite Tutorials Past Question Review with Dr. Best every single Saturday. Don't miss out on this. So go to our YouTube channel every Saturday for another section of the Past Question Review series. Now, on this Past Question Review, we're going to be having giveaways. Now, this is how the giveaway is going to be. Every Saturday, after reviewing the particular question, after the video, the 10 is going to be 10 questions per video. The next 10 questions that I'm going to be reviewing for the next video is going to be posted. So if you answer the first person to answer the 10 questions correctly on the comment section wins an airtime from me. So for every week, somebody stands a chance of winning airtime on Exquisite Tutorials YouTube channel. You can only win airtime when you comment on the YouTube channel. So it's going to be posted on the Exquisite Tutorials YouTube channel. So don't sleep on this. Don't sleep. As well, we're going to be posting some on TikTok. So don't sleep. Follow Exquisite Tutorials on YouTube. Turn on your notification button so you don't miss out. Also, follow us on Facebook and all social media handles. We are here for you. All your exam preparations, we are here for you. And also, don't forget that we do classes for JAM, post-UTME, nursing, WAEC, and all trans examinations, and registrations are on every month. So if you are writing exam or if you have a child that's writing exam, register them for Exquisite Tutorials online tutorials classes, and you have no reason to regret. Now, before I leave you with this. In everything you do in life, give your best to it, for only then will you be happy with yourself. I remain Dr. Best and I'm the happiest man alive. Love you.